Hello, in this video I'm going to show you what to do if you are struggling with weak signal on your Nokia 5. If you are struggling with weak signal, the first step you could take is to scroll up from the top, turn on airplane mode and turn it off. This could help reset some of the stuck network settings and could possibly improve your signal. If this does not help, you could try moving to an area with better coverage, or maybe you could go into settings, scroll down to system, advanced, and reset options. Here reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, reset settings, use your pattern or password if you have a password, and then reset settings again. This could possibly help you out. If not, possibly contact your carrier to check for outages, or maybe you could try turning Wi-Fi calling in your settings. Go into network, mobile network, and the option should be somewhere in advanced here. I cannot show you because I do not have a SIM card in this phone. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.